Now we'll move on to the next chain. This one I think is a little bit easier, I think. Not sure, I just have to. But it has come off the little gear. So this chain is, if you can see, there's one part there and there's the other one. So I have to try and get these chains under there and around this. That's where they have to go, behind this little pulley or gear. And it's a little bit hard, but I'm sure I'll fix it. It's yeah, a little bit tight, but you can't see much. Yeah, it's like I said, I'm trying to do it this way instead of taking the whole mechanism off. So it's a little bit of a challenge, but that's the fun of it, isn't it? And if you enjoy cuckoo clocks and to play around with and trying to fix them, that's what you have to do. Sometimes it takes longer than we thought. That's all right. Okay, back again. I just had a coffee break to try to work it out, and I decided I'll try to go through the side. I don't know if you can see that through here. I might be able to get to the chain and put it in place much better than going through the front at the back. So we'll see how we go. There we go. These things are so old and delicate. Oops. So, yeah, just try it slowly. You don't have to rush it because, like I said, these little pieces of wood are very fragile. There you are. Can you see the inside gears? I might be able to. Yeah, we'll see. Fingers crossed. Unfortunately, from the side, little round hole didn't work out much, so I'm going to try to do it through the back. So I'll try and do things so I can get to that little chain. See, all I need to do is get this chain here. And you can't see, it's behind there and it's jammed somewhere. It doesn't want to come down. See, you go there now, but this is what I'm going to see. It's jammed in there. Some movement there. Look. The thing is, which one I need to get? Not this up. I need to get this one here. It's a little. This chain there. That's it. That's it. I think we did something there. Just a minute. Which one is this? This you pull down, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to do this. Let's at least got that out, which is good. The pendulum wants to work. Just, yeah, there, yeah. So this one goes down. That's what the weights are on this chain. Okay, and it's a little bit more light. So this is like that. We have to concentrate on this one. This one here. Yes, still on it. Still trying to get it untangled. It's a little improvement. Like I said, you have to take the whole mechanism out and dismantle the front and all that, which, in the end will be worse than before. So we're trying to do it this way. A little bit hard, but keep trying and we should be all right. That is just a minute. It's in here. Should be able to come down like that. That's it. just undo it. Let's see. Come on. Well, I felt something. He jumped from one hook, one tooth. Can't pull it too hard, otherwise the links will open up, and then what? I'm gonna use see if I can get that. It's just behind there. That's where the trouble is. A link. Yes, that's a link. He's bloody jammed in there. Behind there. It's jammed between the two gears.